Awnings are the perfect way to protect your doorways and windows from the harsh elements, as well as just make it more pleasant for yourself. These multi-wall awnings are UV resistant, easy to assemble, and really easy to install. Follow these steps and I'll show you how easy it is for you to do yourself. I'm going to be installing the 1.2 meter awning. The kit includes a sheet that comes in 3 different colors. I've gone with the grey. Aluminium tape, aluminium rails, brackets, and all the hardware you need. Tools I'll be using: a tape measure and pencil, spirit level, a hammer drill and 10mm masonry bit, a hammer, a rubber mallet, a 13mm socket and ratchet, and a Phillips screwdriver. Then to finish it off, I'll need some all-weather silicone sealer. Remember, these awnings are interlockable, so you can join them together to make them longer if needed. First thing we need to do is peel back the film a little on all 4 sides, including the bottom. Now we can use the aluminium tape to cover and seal the open sides from dust and water. Carefully attach the aluminium rails to the other 2 sides of the sheet using the rubber mallet to tap it on. Remember to keep the flat side of the rail to the top of the sheet. This is the side of the sheet with the UV coating. Now carefully curve the sheet and gently insert it into the brackets. Secure it in with the screws. Now to install our awning. First, find the center of the door. Then measure the distance between the 2 center points of the brackets and transfer those to the wall. Now draw plumb lines up from your marks using your spirit level. Hold the awning in place to find the height that you want, lining up the holes with the plumb lines. Mark one hole as a starting point. Now you can drill the hole and loosely fit the bracket. Then hold it up, making sure it's straight with your level, and mark the other 3 holes. Now remove the awning and drill the remaining 3 holes. Now we can use our 13mm socket and ratchet to secure the awning to the wall with the bolts. And the last thing to do is peel off the plastic and then use some silicone sealer to seal the joint. This stops the water from running down the wall. There we go, quick and easy to install, and most importantly provides that cover that we were looking for. Now remember that everything I used is available at your local builders. For a range of awnings, visit the builder's website. And for more how-tos just like this, check out the YouTube channel. Get to builders, get it done.